Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, northeastern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. At 4:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Waccamaw, or 11 miles east of Whitesville, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lake Waccamaw, Carvers, Paulsboro, Redbug, Emerson, Council, and Bolton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sampson County in central North Carolina, northeastern Cumberland County in central North Carolina, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Godwin, or 18 miles east of Fayetteville, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Godwin, Eastover, Newton Grove, Wade, Falcon, Linden, Hudson, Vander, and Spivey's Corner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following moving should be 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Lewisburg, Warrenton, Wake Forest, Zebulon, Franklinton, Norlina, and RDU International. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Wake, and Warren. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Sampson County in central North Carolina until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Clinton, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Newton Grove, Salemburg, Hobson, and Spivey's Corner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following message is for the following. North Carolina. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL 50 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Columbus, Cumberland, Duplin, Harnett, Hoke, Moore, Robeson, Sampson, and Scotland, and in South Carolina for Marlborough and Dillon counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return you to the normal program schedule. This morning